This is Inside Indiana Business Radio for the morning of Wednesday, May 14th, 2025. I'm Alex Brown. A motorsports training school that has seen success in Italy is shifting into high gear on the northwest side of Indianapolis. Indianapolis is the first location for Motorsport Technical School US, which offers 8-week hands-on courses for individuals interested in becoming race mechanics and data engineers. CEO Rosella Manfrenato.
Is a school aimed to prepare the new generation to work in racing, and so they can expect for sure to be a very hands-on, where they can learn the ropes to go into teams and be prepared to what their work environment is going to present to them.
The inaugural class launched earlier this month, and the second group of students is scheduled to start class in August. Former Indiana University Indianapolis men's basketball coach Paul Corsaro on Tuesday denied the school's assertion that he mistreated student athletes and called the decision to release him deeply disheartening. Corsaro said on X that he plans to appeal his firing, and he said he was disappointed when the university released its statement without giving him an opportunity to file that written appeal per the terms of his contract. Indianapolis-based health tech company Olio Health has closed on an $11 million round of Series B funding. Olio offers a software platform that allows health systems, physician groups, and insurers to coordinate patient care across different settings. The funding was led by Atlanta-based Fulcrum Equity Partners with participation from Cleveland-based Mutual Capital Partners. From the number one source for Indiana business news, this is Inside Indiana Business Radio.
Get ready for full throttle coverage as we shift into high gear for Business at the Brickyard, presented by LiUNA with support from the City of Westfield and Daniel's Family Vineyard and Winery. We're giving you the inside track on the powerful connection between motorsports and the Indiana economy. Join us at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway for exclusive interviews, behind-the-scenes access, and the stories that drive the business of motorsports. So buckle up and join us for Emmy Award-winning Business at the Brickyard coverage all month long.
Terre Haute Regional Hospital's future could be in jeopardy if a Certificate of Public Advantage, or COPA, supporting a proposed merger with Union Health isn't approved by the Indiana Department of Health. Here's Gary Dick.
Union Health is currently waiting to find out if its second COPA application to merge with Terre Haute Regional Hospital will get the green light. Our partners at WTWO-TV recently reached out to HCA, the corporation that owns Terre Haute Regional. The station was provided a letter written by Senior Vice President Monica Sentato, who said that if the application is denied, then, quote, market conditions are such that HCA will need to seriously consider ending services or closing the hospital, end quote. The COPA application, filed in February, says the hospital has faced significant operational challenges for a number of years, which have led to a decrease in patient volumes, a reduction in service lines, and a significant decline in competitive viability. A COPA allows hospital mergers that the Federal Trade Commission otherwise considers illegal because they reduce competition and often create monopolies. An original COPA application was filed in 2023, but was withdrawn last November after the FTC opposed the plan. The new application filed this year again drew opposition from the FTC. Sentato's letter was sent after Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita wrote a letter expressing his opposition to the proposed merger as well. A ruling from the Indiana Department of Health is expected in June. This is Gary Dick for Inside Indiana Business Radio.
The city of Fort Wayne has received a $1 million grant from the Indiana Brownfields program to clean up and prepare parts of the North River property for redevelopment. The 29-acre site, which was previously home to an OmniSource metal recycling plant, has been vacant since 2006 and is being primed for a new youth sports complex. The latest grant brings the amount of state and federal funding awarded to the city to $3.4 million. The city has used the grants to test and monitor the site and remove any contaminated soil. The city said it continues to review 20 responses to a request for qualifications from developers who could bring additional development to the site, including a hotel, parking garage, restaurant, entertainment, and retail spaces. Former Governor Mitch Daniels is this week's guest on the Business and Beyond podcast with Gary Dick, presented by PNC, a weekly conversation with high-profile Hoosiers in business, sports, and entertainment, and beyond. Available now from your favorite podcast provider. I'm Alex Brown for Inside Indiana Business Radio.
Get ready for full throttle coverage as we shift into high gear for Business at the Brickyard, presented by LiUNA with support from the City of Westfield and Daniel's Family Vineyard and Winery. We're giving you the inside track on the powerful connection between motorsports and the Indiana economy. Join us at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway for exclusive interviews, behind-the-scenes access, and the stories that drive the business of motorsports. So buckle up and join us for Emmy Award-winning Business at the Brickyard coverage all month long.